Alright, this is part 2 of my e-bike conversion video. In this video, I'm going to start tearing everything off the bike that I'm not going to need or be reusing. Start with probably the back wheel nut, doing the brakes and stuff like that. We'll just go through all that stuff real quick. So first thing we're going to need to do is undo these quick release brakes, which is fairly easy because they're loose and probably need adjusted anyways. Undo this one real quick. Probably up here, got my adjusters. I could probably adjust some of that out, make it a little bit easier. Now, go back over here. See if we can get this out of the pocket. Let me set this down for a minute. Go from here. There we go. Now, when taking the back wheel off, I like to go ahead and pedal it through. Get it down to that lowest cog. That way it makes it easier when you drop it out of the pocket there. Just loosen this up. Drop the wheel out. I should flatten the tire a little bit to get out between the brakes. On this, I'll be reusing probably just the tire, the tube, and the rim saver. Next thing we'll do real quick, probably take the chain off because I got to switch the chain anyway. I just got a little chain breaker here. Won't take much to get it off. Good tool to have for just in cases. Pop that out. Not very hard to do. That should just come right on out. Pull the chain out. Put that aside. Next thing, I'll probably loosen up this and see about getting the derailleur off and pulling all that cabling out. I do believe this is a 5 or 4. It's a 5. Use my Y tool, good tool to have, 4, 5, or 6. It's just a 5mm. Unhook that, pull that off, pull off the little cap, set it aside. I ain't gonna need that for the next one. I'll keep this for when I run the new cable for the 9-speed. I'll have to pull this up out of the way so I can get to this direct mount, and it is a 5.2. There we go. There. Shouldn't need any of these parts, but I'll set them aside here just in case I end up needing anything off of them. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to pull the grips off, take off the brake levers. I forgot to actually unhook the cables out of there. So all I got to do, line these things up. Okay, I had a little trouble with that, so I had to stop for a minute, see if I can get them out. Next thing I'm going to do is I just go ahead and loosen all this stuff up right here. That way it's just all ready to slide off. And these are all 5mm Allens. It doesn't take long to strip a bike down. out. Get this set over here. Next thing I need to do is I need to get down in here, and I'm going to have to loosen that up so I can loosen this up, get the cable out of there, then loosen this up, take this off, since I won't be using this anymore with the direct drive. Or the mid-mount, I should say. There's that. Use these to pull this off so I can pull the cable through. There's that. Get my Y tool. Let's use, now I can use it to undo this. Now I'm going to pull it up and twist it around. Make it a little bit easier to get that out of there. Now, let's take this dirty old thing, set it aside. Next thing that's going to come off is this, because I do not need the water bottle cage, and I don't think it's going to fit back on the other side with my battery being in here, which is probably going to be a tight fit anyway, as big as that battery is. When I put the battery on, I'll probably switch the screws and use the other screws. I'll just stick these back in here. Now, a couple different ways you can take grips off. These ones I have on here right now have plugs on them. You see, this one has the plug smashed into it, so we'll have to use a flathead to pull that out of there. I'm not worried too much about damaging these. I just need it out because I got new ones that are going to go back in. Now what I'll try is, instead of cutting these, because these are still good, see if I can put some air pressure in here and get them to push out of here. May not be able to. Try it from this side. Nope. Got a little bit of silicone grease. I can spray in there, loosen it up a little bit. It should slide right off. Definitely not something easy to do. Let's see if we can get more. A little bit more silicone in there. Get it loosened up a little better. I can pull that out. There we go. Now with normal grips that have the holes in them, you can usually plug the hole right here, put your blowgun end in this end, and it'll push this one off, and then just flip it around, plug this hole, put it in the end, blow off that end. Now I can just pull off my levers. This one pushed it too far on the bar. There it goes. I can save these for another build. Now let's try the same thing over here. I'm not going to mess with the compressor because it didn't work on the other side. Up way more than the other one did. Brute force that thing off in here. Throw it in the pile. And now I can just throw these off to the side since I'm not going to use them. My next video is going to be taking out the crank. I'm just maybe do a second video for that just because it's a little bit more detailed. So wait for part 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.